Explore the opportunities to grow your business with funding designed to foster innovation and expansion at any stage of development through the REGI program. Whether you're in manufacturing, food processing, technology, life sciences support is available. With financial assistance, you can acquire new digital equipment, adopt advanced technologies, boost productivity, or enter new markets. There's also support for commercialization strategies, such as attending trade fairs and hiring marketing staff to help take your business further. SMEs can receive up to 50% funding, repayable without interest, while NPOs may get up to 90% in non-repayable assistance, offering a strong foundation for growth. If you are in an economically vulnerable region or in Montreal's East End, your project may even qualify for flexible conditions. Stay tuned for more videos on business growth, innovation, and funding opportunities. And don't forget to subscribe for updates.